This is replacing the standard collared tremolo arm for Floyd Rose with a push-in style. So basically this is the old style that you screw in and they get worn and loose and they can be a pain to put on and off. So I decided to try the push-in. You can see I've done the fixes of putting Teflon tape on, and it's loose, so it has to be changed anyway. You're going to need, of course, your push-in style tremolo arm. You will also need a 3mm Allen key. And if this is an Ibanez tool, which is handy to have since it has a lot on it, but if you go to Harbor Freight or most dollar stores, you can buy a set of Allen keys, whichever is easier. And you will need a deep socket. This is a 1/2 inch, so I might need to make it work, but it's really 12mm. And there's a nut on this style, so basically without the deep socket, the problem is that as you're threading it on, the socket's gonna bottom out. So as you're putting it on, the socket will bottom out, so you need a deep socket, otherwise it won't go on all the way. There may be some sockets that will, but none of mine did. But I couldn't find a 12mm socket, so I'm trying to make this work with a 1/2 inch. So to begin with, take off your old arm, and if you want, and this is if you want to do it with the bridge on. If you take it off, then you could use an open-end wrench to get at it. But essentially, if we can get a little bit of a picture here, you can see that right in here is the actual bolt. So that's what you need to take out first with the Allen key. So the first thing I'm going to do, and there's usually washers. Okay, now you'll see it's stuck there. Okay, now that you got the nut off, you can see it's still on. And what I use is a little cheap mini mag flashlight. Some people take a rubber mallet and a piece of wood, and this fits right down into here, and I just tap that and then it pops off. And now you can see I have it completely removed, and we're ready to put on the new one. So I always save all my old parts, so put them back together. So now we take our new one, and just so you know, there's no washers or anything. It's just a nut and the arm. So we put the arm on first. Make sure it's seated properly. And then with the arm in, okay, you want to get it started. Drop the nut, hopefully. Over the top. And I'm going to try to get it started with just a regular 12mm. Okay. Now so I use the short socket just to start the nut. And now I'll go to my 1/2 inch, and hopefully it'll be enough to tighten it the rest of the way. Okay. That feels tight. Okay. It's on there securely. One of the most misunderstood things about the push-in arm is, if you look carefully by my finger here, it's hard to see, but there's a little set screw. It takes a 2mm Allen wrench, and that's how you adjust how loose or tight this is. It's not a set screw going against the arm. People who say that don't know what they're talking about. What there is there's a collar that's right around where the arm fits in, and then what this set screw does is it tightens the collar. So where the set screw is adjusted, the collar is either tighter like this, so it moves, but not too easily. You have to put a little bit of pressure. But if you loosen it, the Allen set screw, then the collar exerts less pressure, in which case you can have it flapping if you want and pick it up, or however tight you like to have it. And the set screw, I have found, does not move. So, but that's how you adjust it. There are people who say that the arm's too loose or it's too tight, you know, but they haven't adjusted it. So be aware, this Allen set screw is how you adjust it for how tight you want it. There is a middle collar, as you can see, and that middle the Allen set screw tightens that middle collar, and the middle collar is what grabs on this. So there are people who think, oh, there's nothing on the arm because it's smooth to grab to. But the fact is the collar itself grabs on the entire arm. So it's using friction based, but it's fairly tight if you tighten up the Allen set screw. So it's basically squeezing around the arm. It's not the set screw itself that's holding us in. So for people who say, oh, it falls out, that's usually a case they have the Allen set screw too loose. So just tighten that back up. What's nice is you take it out of the case, you throw your arm in, you're ready to go. Pull it out, throw it in the case, or if you don't want to use it for a period of time, it just pulls right off and slides right back on. But that's really it. And now I have a usable arm. It doesn't rattle, it doesn't do anything else, so everything works fine. That's it.